How to allow age-restricted content on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, the normal Discord app does not provide a feature or the option to allow the um, age-restricted content to be viewed. That's why in this video we will not be using the Discord app, we'll be using the Discord web version. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Discord, and here you will see that there are some options. The first result, it says discord.com, so you do not want to use this one right here. You want to scroll down till you find this that says discordapp.com. Go ahead and open it. I just opened it in new window, so it does not redirect me to the installed Discord app on my mobile. And let's wait for the page to load. It might need to ask you to log in. If it does, just go ahead and log into your account. I have already logged in. And once you are here, go to settings. Let's open settings. Then from the user settings section, the first one, click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down to the server privacy defaults section, this one right here. And as you can see, the second option, it says allow access to age-restricted servers. So you want to click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And by doing that, you have just enabled the age-restricted content on your Discord account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to enable and allow access to the age-restricted content on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.